most of these companies, right, because it was so hard, right, organizations shied away from adopting it, but they started innovating. They started figuring out how can we make this simpler and easier. What AI did, as it called out, it accelerated how fast this can move, right? And that's what we leveraged as well to help us ease some of that pain, right? And I'm sure other companies or legacy companies are trying to think about how they can leverage AI to do the same, right? We just got there first.
One important point is that the concept of privacy by design, privacy by default, I mean, for newer applications, you have that opportunity to build something, from the ground up with data security and privacy baked in, even though a lot of cases, enterprises don't do that. But the biggest challenge is with the legacy applications that have been running for so long. So the sheer amount of work to go back to these legacy applications and then redesign them in order to now do data security and privacy is excruciatingly painful and expensive. One of the thing that Privaclave introduced was that where you do not have to touch, the legacy applications and still, get data protected. So we kind of abstracted and decoupled the data protection mechanism in the process, outside of the stack, right? So that's where it was, perceived to be a much easier and a seamless integration opportunity because you don't have to go back and redesign your applications that have been running for so long, and you still want to get data protected.